So we're going to look at polynomials. There's a couple of things we need to know about polynomials. First of all, this is a monomial. It means it's got one term. It can have a couple of letters. It's still written as one term. This is one term, and that's one term. That's a monomial. A binomial has two terms. Notice we now have an addition or a subtraction in between. So these three are examples of binomials. Bi meaning two, like a bicycle. Now, these are trinomials. This is where we have three terms, and the terms can look completely different. But we've got three terms going on. So that's a trinomial, like a tricycle. It's got three. The leading coefficients, or the coefficients, are going to be all of the numbers in front of variables. The one that has the highest degree, that'll be your leading coefficient. On this problem right here, we have a degree of 2 because that's the highest degree. And the number at the back end, that's going to be your constant. So these are some things that you need to understand what is going on with them. So we're going to look at some examples to see if they're monomials, binomials, trinomials, or something else. Because if they have more than three terms, they won't be either of those. So if we look at x squared y minus 9x squared y plus 7x plus y to the 9th. If we look at this, we have four terms. So it's not a monomial, it's not a binomial, it's not a trinomial, it's neither. So it's none of the choices. And because it has four terms, and our degree is going to be the highest degree that we have. The highest degree we have is 9, so the degree of the polynomial will be 9. All right, what if we see something written like a function, f of x is equal to x squared plus x plus 6? Well, this will be a trinomial because we have three terms, and it has a degree equal to 2, because 2 is our highest degree. If we look at g of x is equal to 2x to the 4th minus 6, this is a binomial, and it has a degree of 4, because 4 is the degree, the only degree we actually have in there. All right, the next thing we're going to look at is evaluating some functions. So we want to evaluate with using our f of x. We're going to use these two equations here. We want to find f at 9. So what that means is we're going to plug 9 in wherever our x is. We're looking at f of x, f at 9. So wherever x is, it becomes a 9. So we'll have 9 squared plus 9 plus 6. Well, 9 squared is 81 plus 9 plus 6. When we add 81 plus 9, we get 90 plus 6 will get us 96. So that would be your answer. Now, if we want to evaluate, oops, sorry, we don't need to rewrite that. We want to find our g at -4. So we're going to plug in -4 into our g wherever the x is. So this will be 2 times -4 to the 4th minus 6. So we just plugged in the -4 wherever the x is. So 2 negative, so -4 to the 4th. I had changed the function, so hang on just a second. I got to put that in the calculator. That is not one that I know right away. So it's 256. So because we have the negative going to the 4th power, it's going to be an even number of exponents. So it'll be 256 and then minus 6. And 256 times 2 will get us 512 minus 6, and that's going to get us a total of 506. So that would be our answer on that.